Hey up everyone and welcome to Sliema in Malta. Now today's video I'm just going to show you around the hotel that we are staying in here in Sliema. It's the ST Azur. If you want to come and have a look around it, come on, let's go. So first we'll have a walk to the front because that is where the swimming pool is. So this is the pool that you can use as part of the hotel. Aqua Luna. I'll go and show you inside. And this is the pool area that you can use along with some more hotels here on the front. It's quite nice, isn't it? Plenty of sunbeds, and it's even got some Balinese beds. And if you have these front ones here, well, that ain't a bad view to have while you sunbathe, is it? So yeah, like I said, this is part of the hotel. You just use your key to get in and they give you towels. But there is quite a few hotels that also use this as well. Like I say, it's on the Promenade. As you know, we're in December at the minute, and although the sun's out, it has rained all night, so it's very empty this morning. Nice big pool. And like I say, you get that view out to the harbour here in Sliema. And over there it's got its own pool bar that does drinks and snacks. And some tables here to sit and eat your lunch. So back here at the hotel, we'll go through the doors and you'll see the reception, and then we'll walk on through to the breakfast room. You can see we've got a little seating area here around the back of reception. Here we have reception, and this is the breakfast room. As you can see, we've got 13 floors. You put your card on and you press your number. But you only have to do that when you're going up. Right, I'll go and show you his room. This is us, 8014. And here we are in our room. Now this is a superior room. So this is an upgrade from a normal standard room. So that's your door. As always, emergency evacuation. Next bit in, you've got some open hanging storage space, plenty of coat hangers, and some storage space at the bottom. Next to it, you've got your kettle, your cups, to give you some English tea, some milk, sugar, and Nescafe. And then just under that, we have a safe, if you can see it, a bit dark, which does hold a laptop. And then you get a fridge as well. So we're on a bed and breakfast basis here. You'll just seen the breakfast. So yeah, we just get breakfast. So you can fetch your own snacks and drinks and that, leave them in fridge. Right, as we turn around, this is the bathroom. Oop. Excuse me, them doors are really heavy. So as you can see, we've got a nice big open shower, nice and bright. A toilet, a nice sink, mirror, hi. And then we have a hairdryer, not use this. Are we calling that powerful? I don't know. As you can see, I don't need an hairdryer. But yeah, overall it's a nice, bright, airy bathroom. Right, back into the room. You can see straight away you've got some hangers there for your coats, because obviously it's not always really warm here. That's for your luggage. Then we come round into the bedroom area. Now this is set up as 2 twins. Obviously you can have it as a double. I'm surmising that it's just the same, to be honest. You've got air conditioning unit, some artwork. That's your remote for your air conditioning, as it says there. Balcony door needs to be shut for the AC to work. Now the good thing about Malta is if you're from the UK, it's UK plugs, so you don't have to fetch any adapters. So next to the bed we've got a phone, you've got your reading light, all your switches for your lights, and then you've got a USB and a 3-pin plug. These beds, by the way, are lovely and soft. They are memory foam, so really good. You've got a lovely, quite nice light above the bed. And then at this side of the bed, you have exactly the same. Coming out, you've got a little seating area here, 2 chairs and a table. As we turn around, you've got a little shelf, which is where I've done the editing. So, little work area, a TV, and a massive mirror. So you've actually got as well, you've got 2 3-pin plugs, and you have got a European plug with a USB. And then at this side, you've got another 3-pin plug. So yeah, it's a really nice, bright, airy room. It looks like it's just been modernised. It's all like light wood, really nice. What I will say though, although it is really comfy, you've got to remember you're in a city, and it is quite noisy out there at night. It is double glazed, but you can still hear everything. Although, ask Lucy, she never heard a thing, she slept through it all. So as we come out here now, this is the balcony that we get. There she is, look. Mrs. I don't hear any noise. 2 chairs and a little table. And then your view. Over Sliema. And you can just see down there, we've got a little side sea view. So yeah, all in all, it's been a nice, comfy room. We've slept well, like I say, apart from the odd noise of a city. The breakfast has been okay. Yesterday morning it was a bit manic. We did go down a bit late, to be fair, and everybody was down there. They run out of cups, but this morning, nothing, perfect. Had a drink, nice coffee, nice juice, scrambled eggs, lovely by the way. So yeah, this is the ST Azur here in Sliema. Thank you so much for watching. Please do hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, don't forget the hype, and go over to my Facebook channel at Wandering and Beyond, and you can follow me over there where I put everything on as I'm doing it live. So thank you once again. Until the next time, from here in Sliema in Malta, goodbye.